Have you ever wanted to do something like start a YouTube channel, wear something you like, start a new hobby, or post a video you always wanted to, but then immediately thought कि लोग क्या कहेंगे? Well, that one question has stopped more dreams than lack of talent ever has. And the funny thing is कि लोग तो इतना सोचते भी नहीं जितना हम सोचते हैं. So if you're a person like this, then this video is for you. Hi guys, I'm Mitali and welcome back to my channel. So for a long time I cared so much कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. Not even just about big things, even about small things. And being a person who has been constantly posting on social media since I was 15, right now I'm 20, I have always been around this environment of getting judged. Well, I used to constantly think that what if people think this hobby is weird? What if they think that I'm cringe? What if they judge me for posting this? Or what if I'm just embarrassing myself? And honestly, a lot of us do that. Well, the problem is that we imagine an audience which does not even exist. We think we are constantly being judged and watched by someone or the other, as if somebody is literally waiting for us to make mistakes. But you tell me one thing, how much time do you spend thinking about somebody else's mistake in your day? Almost not even a second. We all are so consumed by our own lives. We are constantly figuring out something or the other. Nobody has time to think about somebody else. I am so busy in my life and I know you are too. Like imagine if you're in a public space and you fall. Now people around you will see that, oh my god, the person has fallen down. Is he okay or not? Or maybe they'll just laugh and go. That's it. Are they gonna think about that for the next few days, for the next few hours, or for the next few minutes even? No, because that's so normal. They'll forget about it in a few minutes because they have other issues to take care of. And that's what all of us do. So you have to remove this thing from your mind that an audience is literally just watching you over and waiting for you to make a mistake, and the moment you make a mistake, oh my god, you do not deserve to live. No, this is not the truth. Now the another problem which arises is, what if they judge me? So what? Okay, tell me. Somebody is judging your fashion sense. So what? Somebody does not like your hobbies. So what? Somebody does not like your way of talking. So what? Somebody does not like your jokes. So what? Maybe they think your English is not good. So what? क्या हो गया है ऐसा? Just tell me, like पहाड़ टूट गया कोई, आपका इस धरती पे आना वेस्ट हो गया, या आपने बहुत ही बड़ा कोई गुनाह कर दिया है कि how could you not follow other people's judgment? See, choices are so subjective guys. Like आज जो कपड़े मैं पहनी हूँ मुझे पसंद है, आपको नहीं पसंद हो सकते हैं, and that's fine. That does not mean कि मेरी चॉइस खराब है. इसका मतलब है कि अपन दोनों अलग हैं, which is the truth and which is also nice because we can't be the same. I can't be the same as you. आज मुझे कॉफी पसंद है, मेरी बहन को माचा पसंद है, and that's okay. I mean, why do we always need other people's judgment? Why do we always need their validation on the things? कि आज अगर मैं कुछ पहन के जा रही हूँ तो मुझे validation चाहिए कि 10 लोगों को वो चीज पसंद आनी चाहिए. No, why? This is my choice. I feel like likes and dislikes are always subjective. They're not objective. They can't be the same. We think that judgment is like a disaster or something, like oh my god उसने ऐसे बोल कैसे दिया. It's just a little opinion which somebody has given to you, which you could or could not care about. Like if I'm walking down the street and somebody compliments me, I would be like, okay, they liked it, maybe their taste matches with me, thank you. And if they're like, what are you wearing, that's so absurd, okay, that's your choice. I won't judge them for having that choice, right? So judgment is not a huge burden on your head that you have to go through. It's just a little opinion of other people, and if you do not want to take it with you, you can just let it go. See, let me tell you something very straightforwardly. People are gonna judge you anyway. If I wear this right now, people are gonna judge me. If I wear something else, people are gonna judge me. If you're thin, people are gonna judge you. If you're not thin, people are gonna judge you. For example, अगर कोई टॉपर है, वो पढ़ रहा है दिन रात, people are gonna be like, oh my god, you know, थोड़ा सा तुम्हें social भी रहना चाहिए. You should try other things as well. पढ़ाई के अलावा भी चीजें होती हैं. And if a person who is not a very topper, like a person average है, mid है, उसको देखो वो कितना अच्छा पढ़ने में है, you are gonna get judged left, right and center. better. It is a very hard lesson which I have personally learned, and if you're going through this thing, you will learn it. You cannot win with these people. ये है ही है आपको परेशान करने के लिए. आप कुछ करो कुछ ना करो, they are always here to pass their own opinion, and which is fair. मतलब अगर किसी के पास कुछ काम धाम नहीं है तो वो कुछ ना कुछ तो करेगा ही. So the borderline is, if you are gonna get judged anyway, तो क्यों ना हम वही कर ले जो हम करना चाहते हैं. I'm giving you one more example कि अगर आपको जैसे YouTube चैनल शुरू करना है, एंड अगर आप वो शुरू करते हो, अगर आप कुछ कर रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में, they will judge you. They will be like, oh my god, इसने ऐसा शुरू कर दिया, कितनी क्रिंज है, कितना ये है, इससे थोड़ी कैसे कुछ हो जाता है, सबको लगता है आजकल सब इन्फ्लुएंसर बन सकते हैं, ये वो फलाना ढिमकाना बहुत सारी चीजें बोलते हैं. एंड इफ यू डू नॉट स्टार्ट समथिंग, इफ यू जस्ट सिटिंग आइडल, इफ यू नॉट डूइंग समथिंग, दे विल स्टिल जज कि यार ये तो कुछ करती ही नहीं है, अरे एटलीस्ट कुछ शुरू ही कर ले, आजकल तो कितनी ऑनलाइन चीजें आ गई हैं, कुछ भी कर सकती है. तो सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि इफ यू गोना गेट जज्ड एनीवे, तो फिर कर ही लो जो करना है. नाउ आई विल टेल यू द कॉस्ट ऑफ केयरिंग टू मच. जो लोग इतना सोचते रहते हैं ना कि व्हाट इफ दे जस्ट सी मी, व्हाट इफ दे जज मी, लेट मी टेल you what it can cost you. So many people are so focused on the embarrassing part कि they'll be so embarrassed, or what if they judge and say something to them. They don't even try. You do not forget the regret you will feel in the upcoming years. These awkward and embarrassing moments won't even matter to you in future. Like right now, you sit down and mention more than 10 things which happened to you in your last 5 years which was so embarrassing to you. Do you even remember them? और अगर याद भी है तो क्या आपको फर्क पड़ता है कि यार ऐसा क्यों हुआ, यार उसने ऐसा क्यों कहा, मुझे तो पसंद नहीं आया, उसने मेरे मुंह पे ऐसा बोल दिया, उसने मेरी बेइज्जती कर दी. Do you even care about that judgment now? So that's my basic point is, if you do not start the thing which you want to do right now and just think कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे, in the upcoming future years तुम खुद कहोगे कि यार मैं क्या कर रही थी, लाइक क्यों मैंने वो चीज स्टार्ट नहीं की जो मैं करना चाहती थी, क्यों मैंने वो जिम जाना शुरू नहीं किया जो मैं करना चाहता था, क्यों मैंने अपने YouTube चैनल शुरू नहीं किया जो मैं करना चाहता था. एंड दैट्स अ वेरी हेवी प्राइस टू पे गाइस. लाइक रिग्रेट एंड गिल्ट ऑफ नॉट स्टार्टिंग सून. Oh my god, that's tough. See, confidence does not come from the starting only. You can't say think कि यार मैं जब confident हो जाऊंगी तब करूंगी. Everybody just does their first things while shaking, all nervous and anxious. Some people do it confidently too, but most of us are always shaking and nervous that oh कैसे जाएगा interview, पता नहीं कुछ prepare है कि नहीं है, कैसा जाएगा वो पहला entrance exam, कैसा जाएगा वो पहला board exam, कैसी डलेगी मेरी पहली वो first video. Everybody is so nervous. But you do it anyway, and then after the action the confidence comes that यार मैंने वो कर लिया जो मैं करना चाहती थी, कि मे बी इतना स्कैरी है ही नहीं जितना मैं सोच रही हूँ. and then you are like शाबाश. To sum it all, I would say that do not care what people are thinking. See, people are gonna judge you anyway, तो आप वही करो जो आपका मन कर रहा है. and there are so many things people judge you about: your skin color, your actions, your choices, your physical appearance, तुम्हारे jobs, तुम्हारा career. and कितने लोग होते हैं they are like कि यार ये कैसा छोटा काम कर रहे हो, कुछ बड़ा कर लो, ये वो. are they paying your bills? like क्या वो जिंदगी वो जी रहे हैं जो आप जी रहे हो? क्या आपकी जगह बैठ के they are worrying about your finances? no, they are living in their house, paying their bills, आराम से जिंदगी जी रहे हैं. you are the one worrying about your own finances कि कैसे मुझे next bill पे करना है, कैसे मुझे rent पे करना है, कैसे मुझे अपने expenses handle करने हैं. if you want to go for any kind of work or do any kind of job या कोई भी career आपको excite कर रहा है, you want to enter, do it, because you'll realize that they aren't living your life, you are living your life. So their opinion does not matter. We say this thing, right, that always take advices from people who are living the life you want to live. And I don't think you want to live their life. And one more thing जो कि मैंने recently अभी podcast में सुनी थी, that weak people always notices other people's weakness first, and strong people always notice other people's strengths. I hope you understand that. So if there is anything you want to do but you have been holding back because of other people's judgment, जाओ and करो वो चीज. You do not need their validation before doing it. You yourself are more than enough. बिकॉज अगेन लोग इतना सोचते भी नहीं जितना हम सोचते हैं. सो या गाइज, दिस वॉज इट फॉर दिस वीडियो एंड आई होप यू गाइज लर्न समथिंग न्यू फ्रॉम दिस. एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो सो प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड ऑल्सो हाइप दिस वीडियो बिकॉज वो हेल्प करता है इस वीडियो को और लोगों तक पहुंचने में एंड विच इज अ ह्यूज हेल्प फॉर me. And of course, if you want more such content, you can subscribe to my channel and check out my more videos. And this time I have also infused my English with Hindi, so do let me know आपको इस pattern में video पसंद आ रही है or you just want me to speak only in English. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye bye, love you all.